Okay, this is the third video on an AdStrim business plan search result in 20 seconds. In last video, we talked about basically all the the processes that we go through, and the fact that AdStrim will actually crawl a site and extract the information, then use the information to enhance the site and add micro formats via a proxy, such that Search Monkey actually will will index that proxy, will search that proxy, and then we also use the same information and create a 20-second video for the search result enhancement. So in this video, we talk about some of the detailed information about the tools that we are going to develop for such a thing. So if we go and look at basically one of these structured sites such as Yelp, okay, we see that actually, this site is, you can basically go and click on any one of these cities and you see the same format. And so, for example, if you click on Los Angeles, you see the same format, except that the information is from Los Angeles. And also the same thing is for the categories. If you click on any one of these categories, you see the same format, as you click on other categories, and so on. So the idea is that basically, if we create a tool that records our action, and then we start, crawling through one path. So, for example, we type Yelp.com, then we click on San Francisco, and then we click on shoppings, and then we click on basically one of these, shopping, one of these stores, and then we click on, for example, some other information, some site, and in this case, and then it actually records all of that as an XML. So then we can actually, while we are crawling, we can tell that we want to loop over certain things. So here we can say, loop over the this specific tag for this one, or for example, loop over category, or loop over city. And then after that, we already instructed the crawler that we want the crawler go to the Yelp.com, loop over every city and every category and every basically items in that shop, every restaurant, for example, or shop in that category, and then we want to record pretty much certain stuff. So for example, when we actually click on a restaurant, we want to we want to record the name of the restaurant, and for example, we record the name of the restaurant. We want to record the address, the phone number, the site, and so on. So it will actually record all of that, and that's basically the job of crawling: extract all this information. So, for example, record all these images and click on every image. Click next. It actually record all these images and so on for us, the image URL for us, and in that way we have all the information from the site. So that one aspect. The other aspect is that if we have one specific page, how we can add micro format to that page, which I will talk about in the next video. And then we combine these two basically tools and these two processes, meaning crawling and adding micro formats, to actually create this proxy that I'm talking about. But before I finish this video, is that once we extract all this information, we put them in a database in a structured format. So in a way, we are reverse engineering, the whole site using this crawler, and extract any information that we are interested, that we want to add micro format to that. And then, for example, let's say we actually done that for the ER, and then we have our own basically. We use Alfresco as another tool to keep this information, to keep all the metadata, and so on. Okay, I'm not going to get into a technical detail of that part. So in the next one, I'll talk about how we add how we create a tool to add micro formats to every page of this site.